We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Lemark MX511 and we're going to show you how to find out a little bit more information about your printer. So that way you don't start a big print job or wind up in the middle of a situation where all of a sudden you run out of toner or your imaging unit needs to be replaced and you don't have a backup. So we're going to help you kind of figure out how to keep an eye and a watch on those kind of items so that nothing like that happens to you. And it's extremely simple. The first thing we're going to do is make sure your printer's on and in the ready to print state. And then after that, at the very bottom right of the menu screen here, you're going to see a little wrench, and that's going to take us to our settings menu, so go ahead and hit that little wrench. Once the menu comes up, we're going to go ahead and hit the reports tab, which is the second option it gives you. And then after you hit that, you're going to see, again, it's going to be the second option. There's going to be an option for device statistics. So go ahead and click on device statistics. And this is going to print out a couple different pages. There's going to be a lot of information as far as a lot of statistics on your device. So it's going to give you page counts and just a lot of different information about your printer. But there's a couple things that most people would find very helpful. So most of those are going to be located on the second page. And so once you look at the second page, you'll notice there's three different status bars. The first one's going to be for your cartridge, so for your toner cartridge. And that's just giving a good idea on that status bar is roughly how much toner is left inside of that cartridge. So it's a good way just to kind of keep an eye on where your toner levels are. So even before you get a low toner warning on the screen, you can kind of watch it and make sure that you're not going to run into any problems in the future. The second one in the middle here is actually going to be for your imaging unit, which is the device that goes underneath the cartridge. So again, that's another common item that a lot of people overlook and needs to be replaced as well. And it happens quite often where the imaging unit runs out, and again, it never fails. It's always in the middle of a big print job, so this is just a good way to make sure that that doesn't happen to you. And the last one is actually for your maintenance kit. So this is actually very useful information so that you can kind of keep an eye on where your maintenance kit for your printer is, so that the consumables for your machine can be replaced on a timely manner. And that way, again, it never fails. It's always right in the middle of something that's extremely important that needs to be printed, and something happens with your maintenance kit and it needs to be replaced. And you don't want that to be, or you don't want to be in that position. So those are the very, very useful pieces of information to have. Again, it's extremely simple to print out, just so you can kind of help keep an eye on it, where your printer's at, and just kind of help maintain it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give Onyx a call. And if you need any toner or an imaging unit or a maintenance kit installed, again, feel free to give Onyx a call and we can help supply those for you. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.